In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Power Automate desktop flows. This is an essential skill if you work extensively with Power Automate and need to move your automation between different environments. So, let's dive right into it, making sure that by the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how to transfer your desktop flows effectively and seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Power Automate portal at make.powerautomate.com. Once you're there, sign in and ensure that you're in the correct environment where your desktop flow is located. This step is crucial because it's easy to accidentally end up in the wrong environment, especially if you have access to multiple ones. Now, let's move on to creating or locating a solution. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. From there, click on Solutions and then New Solution. Here, give your solution a meaningful name, choose a publisher, and set a version. If this solution already exists, simply locate it in your list of solutions. Now that you have your solution ready, it's time to add your desktop flow to it. Within the solution interface, look for an option that says Add Existing. Click on it, then select Desktop Flow. You'll see a list of your available desktop flows, so go ahead and pick the one you're planning to export. This step effectively bundles your flow into the solution, preparing it for the export process. With your desktop flow added to the solution, we can now move on to exporting it. Still in the solution screen, you'll find an option labeled Export. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to choose the version type, either managed or unmanaged. Your choice here should align with your target scenario. For instance, managed solutions are typically used when you want to deploy flows into a production environment, whereas unmanaged solutions are more suited for development purposes. After selecting your desired version type, proceed to download the resulting .zip package to your computer. The final step in the process is to import this .zip file into your target environment. Navigate to the environment where you want your desktop flow to be, then head back to the Solutions menu, but this time select Import. Here, choose the zip file you just downloaded. During this import process, you'll be guided by a wizard that will prompt you to set several import options. Decide whether you want to create these flows as new or update existing ones, depending on what you need, and complete the import process. Once you've finished, it's always a good idea to double-check and ensure that your desktop flow is present and accounted for in the target environment. This verification step can save you from potential headaches down the line, ensuring that everything has transferred as expected. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to export and import your Power Automate desktop flows. Thanks for watching.